Spring is coming. Some spring birds have already arrived, and you're walking out into the woods. The sun is glimpsing through the trees, shimmering on the moss. You feel a sense of aliveness inside of you. At the same time, you slow down your breath. You slow down your heart rate. You slow down the whole system. Breathing in through the nose. And a long, long exhale through the nose. Once again. And one more time. And then you let go of the conscious breathing and just let the breath be as it is, flowing just like water from a babbling brook. You feel some warmer winds coming in. The sun hits your face. You get warm. Your whole body becomes warm and alive. Just like a plant. And you connect your breath to the rhythm you walk in. You step out of the thinking brain and into your heart brain and into your stomach brain, where you can just feel. So give some attention to your heart center. And feel a warm wind connecting the heart center to your stomach brain. Connect these two to your brain, to your brain. Telling the brain that it's okay. We're just transitioning. We're just feeling and calming down. Walking further out into the woods. So green, so lush. And you feel happy to hear all the spring birds coming back after a long dark winter. And you lie down, supporting your head against a big tree. Feeling the brain, the heart, stomach connecting into one. Putting your attention in between the eyebrows, looking inside, calming down, and just feeling. Feeling is healing. The left eye, the right eye, both eyes, left nostril, right nostril, breathing in the fresh air in the woods, noticing the top of the trees swaying in the gentle winds. But where you are lying by the tree, there is absolute stillness. Putting your attention at the throat center. Left shoulder, right shoulder, relaxing both shoulders. The upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, palms of your hands, top of your hands, thumbs, second fingers, third, fourth, pinky fingers, relaxing both of the arms, center of the chest, stomach, pelvic bowl, upper legs, knees, lower legs, ankles, heels, soles of the feet, the big toes, second toes, third, fourth, and the fifth. Feeling both of the legs grounding in the woods. Sensing your whole body grounding against a tree, getting nourished, preparing for spring, for new adventures. And then you rise up, walking further into the woods. And here you see a pack of deer. Enjoying their time in the woods. So wild and alive. And they send you this energy. And just by seeing them, just the knowledge of that there is wild animals out there makes you feel even more alive. There is animals out there that are not tamed. They are naturally wild. And you feel that there's a part of you that is naturally wild as well. You raise your hands, looking up in the clear blue sky. Sun is peeking through again, giving you warmth and strength. And you just stand here for a while, gathering energy. Knowing that you are wild, you're alive. And you enjoy this present moment.